All right. A very good evening, everybody. So it's 11:15 p.m. in the night. So this is where I get the time to record each and every single piece of information and content. Get into the topic. So today I would like to speak about difficult things do not last forever. Okay. So to begin the video, that I would just like to speak about difficult things really do not last forever. When I see this, we do deal with a lot of difficult things in life. We do come across hardships, battling all the problems by ourselves. We do not know as to how do we confront them and what is the exact procedure as to how do we, go from one problem to another problem. So when all this falls into the picture and when all this starts coming in front of us, is when we actually start to tense a little bit and we tend to worry for no reason, because like no reason is in the sense we feel like getting anxious, we feel like getting a lot more problematic and pressurized because we don't feel like doing anything. It's definitely not easy to overcome that challenges of failures, especially when we start crossing that each and every single path. Now, when we cross each and every single path is when we try to feel the experience, and the next time when we try to do something new is when we start getting much more tensed because of the old experiences that we were actually, we actually felt. Now, when I say this, it truly brings a lot of confidence and courageousness to go ahead and, take that footstep. Now, let me just tell you three strategies as to how can we overcome these. So these are my own personal experiences, but I can share with you. The first thing is make a bold move. Okay, make a bold move, regardless of the result. Okay, take a decision that whether it's going to work or it's not going to work, you just give it a try and you will see the result. The second one, no matter how hard the situation gets, no matter how hard the situation is, no matter how hard the task is, no matter how laborious, no matter how difficult it is to get into one particular task and jump into the next task right after that, you might face a lot of battles in between them. I'm not telling that it's going to be easy, it's going to be all right. Like once you look at this video, everything is going to be all right. No, it's not going to happen like that anyway. Why would you still sit down and think that this would be all right in all the ways? It's definitely not going to be all right. So, no matter how hard the situation is, you will have to put your efforts into that. I mean, you will, but instead of thinking in a negative way or in like not a negative way, like don't let the negativity come towards you, is what I meant. Okay, to everyone who thought that why would this guy say that you're taking it in a wrong way. Okay, I'm so sorry. So don't let the negativity come and affect you. The third one is that be aware of the footsteps that you're taking. Be aware of the footsteps that you are taking. It doesn't always count on the good number of steps that we take. It always counts on the bad number of steps that we take, unfortunately, in life. So that is the only one thing that I would like to say. Be aware of the good steps that you take in life. The bad steps that you take in life. So from this context, what I would like to extract is that I was just thinking as to how can I explain it to you. Every time when we start doing something, the first number of situations that come to our mind is negativity. What if I fail? What if I don't pass? What if I don't do good? What if this turns out to be a disaster? What if I don't do this in a much more expected way? And what if? It all starts lining up. So instead of that, I would just want you to convert what ifs to I will. I will experiment. I can bring a change. I do have it within me. I believe in myself. I believe in the steps that I'm taking. I believe in the environment that I'm stepping into. So turn all these words into this way, and I'm sure you're gonna go crack it. Alright, you all, it's been like 11:30 now. I'll have to just go and take some rest. I hope this video helped you because I just wanted to create as soon as possible, and I just wanted to give a lot of insights to you. But it is 6 minutes 22 seconds now, so I'll just have to go ahead and I have to do all the requirements for the video, for the sleep schedule and each and every single thing. So I'll see you in the next video. Until then, thank you so much. I love